Alright people, what's going on? So in this video, since I'm gonna troll myself because it looks as if I'm like a robber or something like that, so I'm gonna show you guys how to draw a diamond. I'm gonna draw a big diamond. Alright, so this is like a big artist heist using a ballpoint pen. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it, people. So I'm gonna draw a big diamond, alright? This diamond is worth so much money. So the first I'm gonna do is do a circle at the top just to give it some three-dimensionality. So there'll be a circle at the top, like an oval, right? Then from there, gonna drop down into somewhat of a trapezoid, but it has a curvature at the base. Go. Then it tapers down to create the diamond shape. That's the number one thing, is to, of course, get that gesture, get the shapes, just ghost it out. Think of it like you're just giving yourself somewhat of a blueprint before going into the heavy amount of detail. Continuing going back and forth with the structure. Now from here I'm gonna go just looking at different references. So this time I'm actually looking at references to look like a heist. You stole the blood diamond. Diamonds have so much shapes within shapes within shapes, and this is the first time that I'm actually really like getting more of an appreciation of just how the diamond structure is set up. Okay, now at this point, now I'm going to start adding the lights and shadows. I just wanted to make sure I had the structure first. Now we're going to go into the details of the shadow. So hopefully it could start having more variety for it to pop out more. So it could pop out of the page. That's the goal. So let's do it. Like I said, it's almost as if this is a heist, okay? So since it's illegal for me to steal a diamond, I'm just going to draw a diamond. So hopefully that's not illegal for me to do. To draw a diamond as if I took it. Since I can't physically take a diamond, I'm just going to create one that I stole. I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's just go with it. So I know at the top area, this area here, based upon the reference I'm looking at, is very shiny. So I'm going to leave it like that and make it, just playing around with understanding the lights and shadows with that particular reference. I'm going to start doing these indents, because I realized with diamonds they have a lot of like shards of indents, so it can look more shiny. So I'm going to start adding that in there. Now here I'm just playing around with it, just adding like extra different types of triangles inside of the shape. A lot of triangles happening on this side, so I'm going to do a lot of different types of dark, small triangles happening here. Drawing a diamond is way more difficult than I imagined, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, made that really dark there, so now I gotta go in there and blend it better. Now I'm just adding the shadows over the shine shape, so that way it can start standing out. Add a little bit of a little bit of triangles in there. A few triangles. Trying to hide some of the highlights, so that way the artificial highlight that I created can pop out more. I'm just going back and forth with that. Now I'm just going quicker with the ballpoint pen, because you definitely could get lost in the detail, especially with the lights and shadows. You don't want to get too consumed by every little part, otherwise you will drive yourself insane. So it's always best to just like pace yourself, like, once you not everything in that particular area needs to be done. Just do what you can and then move on to the next, and then revisit it. Top area, top right hand side. Add some triangles on the side as well. Almost forgot about that. Little small triangles. All right, getting ready to work downward on the base. All right, working our way down. All right, working on the sides. And now, honestly, I can understand why diamonds are forever, because it takes forever to illustrate a diamond. And if you're doing this with me, let me know your struggles down below. All right, so here I'm gonna make this darker. All right, starting to come together. Just gotta do more refinements to make it a bit more sharper, because diamonds are really sharp. Right, so now from the left hand side, now we're going to migrate towards the right. So just going really quick with the strokes, not spending too much time on it. And then the base, the bottom, is going to make it shine a little bit more, and this part is going to be darker at the very bottom, so the contrast can pop out at the top. So for all those artists out there, if you can't steal a diamond, make one. Right, so now I'm just going through the refinement, seeing anything that I want to add more shadows to so it can pop out more. Working on this negative space with the shine. This area a little bit darker. Now, to play around with even more of the contrast, I'm going to make the left-hand side a little bit more darker than the right. So that way it can look more three-dimensional. All right, and there you have it, diamond. Put the signed date. So what do you guys think in the comment section below? All right, show you guys close up version. Or should I be more like comment section below? Don't forget to like the video. That's really helpful for the algorithm. And throw your suggestions down below of any objects or things that you guys want me to sketch. And if you drew a diamond along with me, let me know how that went down below. All right. So take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.